Welcome to the discussion on Specific Relief Act. Specific Relief Act was passed in the year 1963. Okay, as all of you already know, specific relief refers to the relief, that is the remedy which is required from the court. The remedy which is required from the court is specific in nature. When we say that the remedy which is required from the court is specific in nature, we are not saying, see, for that purpose if you have to go, all the remedies that we seek from the court are specific in nature. Because when we write the prayer, we say, Your Honor, we need partition. Please allow this petition for partition. Please allow this petition for maintenance. Please allow this petition for declaration and question. Please allow this for getting the legal hair certificate. So for each one that we file, there is a specific remedy. And we do ask for the specific relief. But this is not what we are talking about in the Specific Relief Act. Apart from this, of course, we are talking about the remedies that we specifically say before the court. But when we are doing that, what other specificity are we talking about? This is the specific as per the contract or as per the right. So when we say this, specific means as per the contract or as per the right. See, when we know it, when we are doing the CPC anyway, we will be doing it. Anyone who has a right title or interest has the right to sue. Against whom? Anyone who owes the liability. Okay? So when we are talking about the specific, the remedy is also specific. What is the other meaning for this specific? It means specific as per the contract or as per the right of the party. Clear? That's why when we are asking for the remedy, specific remedy, we have to look at whether the person has the right to ask for the remedy. Either upon personal right or upon the basis of some contract or any existing liability, anything like that. Okay? Now we will go to the, what are the chief topics under the Specific Relief Act? Specific Relief Act talks about the compensation on the one part. On the other part, it talks about specific performance. When we say compensation, what do you mean by compensation? Compensation refers to the damages. It may be a single relief or it may be given along with the order of specific performance. Either it may be a single relief or it may be along with the order for specific performance. Next we go to specific performance in itself. Specific performance, again as we already told, as per the contract or as per the right. What can we ask for under specific performance? Anything. Partition, as I already told you, partition, declaration, possession, all these come under Specific Relief Act. So when we are talking about this thing, we are talking about the possession part of it. Now possession, it can be for movable or immovable property. Please keep in mind, we don't have any special provisions. We don't have any special provisions for the possessions. Possessions for movable or immovable property is dealt with in Specific Relief Act. If not for possession, then it should be specific performance of the contract. Yesterday we were dealing with all those. The builder, if he has to give the possession of the property, he has to give the possession of the property. If he is still constructing the building, then he must construct the building. So whatever is given under the contract, that has to be performed. So when there is a specific performance order, the order is for specific performance of whatever is there in the contract. Either the whole contract or part of the contract. Right? Or the part which is deemed to be the whole. We were discussing it yesterday in the Contract Act. But again, as we know, Special Relief Act is a part of the special contracts. So you should apply all the principles of the general contract here. Okay. Then next we go to injunctions. Injunctions, again, it is a restraining order which we have as temporary injunction and permanent and mandatory injunction. Okay. Then next we go to declaration. Declaration again of what? Declaration of right. Cancellation of instrument. The other remedy which we can ask under the specific relief act is cancellation of instruments. See, once the loan is given back, okay, once the loan is repaid, probably the checks are still there with the bank which I have given as a post-dated checks. Okay, so the bank can use those checks against me saying that these checks have not been honored. But while it says so, if I have already transferred it to the bank by an F transfer or something like that, by getting a DD, whatever it is, but I have repaid the loan, then I can apply to the court for cancellation of instruments. So these are all the reliefs which can be got under the specific relief act. Now we go to each of them one by one. Okay. First we will deal with the compensation. Compensation, as we have already discussed, it can be either single order. That means what? It shall be the order only for compensation. When can there be an order only for compensation? See, if it is going to be only a compensation, then what type of case will we be filing? We will be filing the recovery case. Right? Suit for damages. This is what it is called.